So what's our first plan, Vic?
Our first plan, well right now I got this S13 we're gonna make front and rear bash bars for. I'm starting with the rear bash bar. We just got the old crash bar off, and now looks like I get to make some measurements.
Factory mounting positions on there. And like nobody,
So what I've seen is
95% of S chassis have that bumper sag in the center.
I think what I saw in Juku Racing does like just a flat plate and the tube welded into it for mounting. But what I'm talking about is this like mount to the chassis.
Oh,
this
yeah,
right
yeah.
here. This right here. And some people had a tube with like just like a right angle on top, but like I want to make a U, like get a U channel or something. It slides in nicely. What's the variance? Like, is there a lot of change in these two, like side to side? Pretty.
Yeah, because mine, this here, I got in an accident with mine. So with that on, it shifted everything over.
Right.
People that have that, they're kind of.
Should I make the standoffs a little weaker so like they move instead of the chassis, or what? Yeah. Okay. Because I can design a plate that'll come up and hold it like this. Hold it like this. Yeah.
These are meant to bend.
We got Austin. That was
Huh?
nothing.
You see?
Ah! Vic,
Well, I just got some ideas now from these guys.
from the S13 God himself, Austin.
Yeah. Big Daddy S13 Austin. Right now I'm trying to put his car on a charger. Cool. Colin, ask me what I'm doing again.
What?
I grabbed some masking tape and a marker. What I'm gonna do with these is mark out where I want my tube for measurements.
On the rear bumper
On the
here?
bumper, yeah. I'm gonna use the bumper to model the main tube first.
All right, Vic, measurements are taken.
Measurements are taken. So now I'm gonna take these measurements I just took and wrote down, and I'm gonna put them in my 3D CAD design here and start modeling this out. This is our IS300 bash bar. We should get something like this.
So that's a completed bar.
This is a completed bar, yeah.
So you'll know what it looks like before you even make it then, yeah?
Oh dude, I kinda already know what it's gonna look like in my head, but nobody else can see in my head, so like, we gotta put it on somewhere where they can see. So we'll do this first, and then we start cutting stuff out and actually proofing it and making sure everything will work. I got my points right here. This tube's gonna have 2 bends, so we're putting 2 bends in. Connect the dots. We'll call this main hoop. So that's our main hoop right there.
So that's gonna go like on the back side of this, like that?
So it'll mount there, and it's gonna go. I'm using the bumper to make this part actually.
That red bar right there is this straight bar, right?
That's what this straight bar will be. Now I have to cut and bend it and see what it looks like. I'm trying to design a plate that'll hold that tube. That plate will also be able to give in case it gets hit, so that way the chassis of the car doesn't move. It'll absorb an impact is what I'm trying to say. I might need to shorten those legs if I put it there, or I go higher, but then that wouldn't work.
So on the program, we don't have enough material to make both bends, right?
On the program, no. So what I'm gonna have to do is add length and then cut the ends down to where I want. So that way I can actually put it in the bender and bend it.
So the length of the pipe now, is that the pipe that's in the program, or is it shorter in the program?
No, it's shorter in the program. Like we have enough here.
Yeah.
So we have enough here. So in the program, it's telling me to cut this much. But I can't bend, I don't have enough material on both ends to bend this much. Add enough to where I can make my bends, and after it's bent, I cut off the ends to where I want them.
Matt, are you trying to fucking like, what is it, like stoop rules, dude? If I just claim this stoop? Yummo.
Let's try.
Ew. Fucking kid, dude, it's so funny.
Ew.
You made a penis. That's a dick. It's been sitting for God knows how long. Look how many miles are on it, dude.
Dude, why are you trying to grab my dick?
I bet you I can get started.
Are you gonna try and get this thing running, Vic?
be able to be honest.
You might be able to, as I
I
just
might be
said.
able to. We'll see.
Such a handy man, Vic.
Whoa, dude. Colin, you just gonna keep saying that? You're gonna come over here and kiss me? I didn't hear no. Panda.
Look at this thing.
Oh,
It's huge. This is the slide for the carb.
yeah.
Why are you wanting to look at the slide?
That's what lets air and fuel into the motor.
Don't talk to me like I was an idiot, Vic. I was born in the year 2000, bro.
You're an idiot.
Pissed all over the ground.
It's disgusting and it smells so bad.
You like it, don't lie.
I do actually.
Looks like gas.
It's tea.
Nope. No, it's not.
That's tea.
Is that old gas, dude?
The piss jug spilled.
It's better with age, as they say. It's like a fine wine, you know, gasoline. Man, it smells like my first car.
All right, Vic, me and Noel have to go pick up the E30.
Nice.
We'll be back.
All right, dude. Be safe.
Give me a kiss.
Don't fall in.
goodbye.
We're gonna go get the M3.
Oh shit, it's ready?
Yeah.
Good shot of Ethan.
Where are you guys going?
Wow. We're gonna go get the E30 M3 for alignment.
Narnia?
Yeah, dude. There we go. Okay, bye.
Bye.
There she is. Woo!
Let's take her back. Yeah, actually, can you take these with you? Because I have to roll with the windows down.
I got you, bro.
This French M3 does not have AC, so.
How's the motorcycle or bike thing looking, Vic?
Oh, I stopped working on that. What?
You didn't like the piss?
I had to piss, and then I pissed. I didn't piss yet, actually.
Ready to bend the rod, Vic?
I gotta sand it first.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Let's put it up to the bumper.
The moment of truth, Vic. Or not really, but
Man, let it work. Now we gotta trim the ends down to where we have it in our program, and then I'll have to make the mounts.
trim these little M pieces.
Yeah. Right now we added length so we can bend them, but this ain't gonna stick this far out.